Hey guys, it's your girl Lakia Maria and welcome to another video here on the channel. Whether you're new to the channel or an OG, I primarily share planning and organizational videos, and today I'm going to be giving you guys the official flip of my A5 Stalogy that I'm using as my 2023 planner. So I have been sharing videos of putting this bullet journal system together. I will have them linked in the description box, as well as links to any of the items that I share throughout this video. And I would love to chat with you guys in the comments of what you're using this year. But let's go ahead and get into the flip. I decided to go with an A5 because I wanted something that had more space. I was using a standard size traveler's notebook for the latter half of 2022, but I just wanted something, again, more spacious, and the A5 jumps out at me. I have tried to use an A5 Stalogy before, but it didn't work out. The cover was also yellow, and I am very partial to the color yellow, but the vibe wasn't what I wanted. And then I ended up with the black A5 Stalogy. So this, again, you can find on Amazon, as well as this clear cover, which helps to protect the notebook. And this is a soft cover notebook. I have been using this since November of 2022, and we are now in February. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get the whole year inside of here. I doubt it, but I am going to be using an A5 Stalogy for 2023 in general. So here on the front cover, this main character energy sticker is from Honeybee Shop, and this is from Studio Bliss Co., if I'm not mistaken. Yes, Studio Bliss Co. All of these stickers here are from the Honeybee Shop. I just made a little dashboard of stickers, and I'm using the cover, the front and the back cover, for stickers, and I created this little vinyl here on my Cricut, and these are also Honeybee Shop stickers. As for the stickers I have in this pocket, they're Studio Bliss Co., Rose Shadow Collection, and then these are from Caress Press. I just leave random stickers. Some are kits, some are from kits that I've used, and then I just put them in other places in my planner. So then we turn the page, and this was actually packaging that I reused from an order, and I just created a pocket. So we have sticker party stickers, Isis Eligibles, and sticky perks, and this is also a Studio Bliss Co. sticker. These adhesive pockets that you see throughout are from Planner Society. This vellum is from Isis Eligibles. This little sheet here is from A Glittery Life Plans. So love this vellum. I'm thinking of getting some more adhesive pockets from the Planner Society because I really like them, and then just putting them elsewhere throughout my planner. But anyway, so that's that. And then we get into November. This is a Capital Chic Designs doll, if I'm not mistaken. And the stickers here, these are from Michaels, and these I had left over in kits that I've purchased before. I did a month on 2 pages for both November and December. This is a Gold Mine and Cocoa doll. I think this is either Gold Mine and Cocoa or Capital Chic. So I didn't mind doing the month on 2 pages. I really like how December's turned out more than November's. And I did a gym tracker. This is definitely Gold Mine and Cocoa. Don't remember where this kit was from. I do like this vertical layout, so you're gonna see vertical layouts throughout my planner. We'll skip over those pages. I have notes pages, goals pages, Netflix watch list that I really didn't do, more journaling pages, and I use these scalloped edges from the Planner Society just to mark off certain pages that I want to quickly reflect back to. So this is my December dashboard, and I used to do my week on 2 pages, but then I found on the weekends that I was doing a lot more because of my work schedule being Monday through Friday. So then I started doing Monday through Friday. I had a weekly section here, and then I put the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and then the next week. So you'll see that in a little bit. These tabs are also from Amazon. I just randomly found them on Amazon. So then December, more fitness goals. I was tracking my workout. These are stickers from Piper Paper Co. Let's see what else we have. I like this spread. I liked my Christmas spreads. I did not like this that I did at the FIFA World Cup, and I'm thinking about doing that over. I will literally just slap a piece of paper over it and just do it over. So that's cool. These are stickers that I can actually lift up. This is just sticker paper that I put inside of here, so I can reuse. This is reusable, so I can put other stickers on here. More stickers from Michaels. Budget sheet. This is another one from Studio Bliss Co. This vellum, this rose vellum, is from Hobby Lobby. This was stuff that I wanted to get done before the end of the year. I just make random lists. And then we go into 2023, another one from Studio Bliss Co. Another sheet of vellum from Hobby Lobby. I want to put goals for the year on here, or I might put highlights of the year so far. I haven't decided, so the page is blank for now. And I believe these stickers are from Alicia Michelle Co. This was actually her 2022 sampler, but I just like this one over the 2023 one she had, and bada bing bada boom. 2023 divider. So we have 2023 here, and then when you go back here, this says 2022. Again, that Alicia Michelle EXO shop on Etsy. That's where the sticker's from. This one I believe is either Honeybee Shop or Isis Ella Jewels, possibly. I don't remember. This might be Honeybee Shop though. This is Isis Ella Jewels. The vellum again is Isis Ella Jewels, and I kept it consistent using that same vellum from the beginning for the 2023 section. This is Isis Ella Jewels. This is like one of the things that came in the packaging, and I laminated it, and then I put it inside of this cute little pocket. Look at that. Love it. So this I actually made using acetate from Michaels. I'm probably going to end up covering this up. You guys can't really see it though, but you can see the tape right here. I don't care. I wanted more pocket space, and I just made this using vellum. Not vellum, using acetate. This is vellum. Vellum, thinner, acetate, actual plastic. January, I'm going to go back and fill this in. I have some winter themed stickers, so I'm going to go back and do that. Then I started doing a month on one page because I realized that I didn't need to do a month on 2 pages. I started to do this workout tracker. It had good intention, but I just fell off the rails. I fell off so bad. I really did like this spread. This is what I'm talking about with the this week, Monday through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then the next week. Let's see what else. Just journaling, more journaling. These are my TikTok ideas for my personal TikTok, my wrestling TikTok, YouTube stuff. More of those pockets. This vellum is also again from Hobby Lobby. Let's see what stickers we have in here. Honey Bee Shop. Gold paper prints that doesn't exist anymore. More Honey Bee Shop, Simply Me Kish, and Pink Diamond Planner Co. Gold paper prints was my shop, man. I missed that shop. Always had a sale, and I'm talking about like a good sale, like 40 to 60% off. So this is the reading that I want to do. These are the books that I currently own. I usually get sucked into book talk on TikTok and just end up purchasing books that I haven't read. I want to get better. I want to get better at reading, y'all. Like I want to do better at that. And I read, but everything is just so digital that I'm not actually reading any books. So one of my goals for the year was to actually read a book. I started reading Prince Harry's Spare, and then I went and got the Audible version. So we'll see if I get through either of those. But the Colleen Hoover books, I'm going to give those a fair shot. Out of the 2 of them, this one they said is spicy. Verity, but Regretting You, I do want to read that one. So I like this spread. Journaling. So what I do is I do 2 pages, well 3 pages for my week. And then I'll journal about something. So Stephanie McMahon, wrestling stuff, the Steelers record, the 2022 playoffs. Then we go into my next week. And then I created this page up next on Netflix. Anything I want to watch on Netflix, I'm putting it on this page. And then I'm going to put a rating underneath it. The only one that I've watched on here is the Pamela documentary. This I did a plan with me on. It was the Kobe, the week of the anniversary of the tragic passing of Kobe Bryant and his daughter and the others on that plane. And I just I had this basketball kit, and I just made a spread with that. I didn't really use my planner much this week, and I will say this is when I started to slack off with my planner. February, this is from Isis Ella Jules, Studio Bliss Co. I did not like this week at all, this blue week. I could have set it up better. This one I did like. This is from Rose Shadow Collection, the stickers. Like, look at that. I could have did them across. Maybe they would have been cuter. I'm going to be journaling from Super Bowl weekend. So the Rihanna performance, whatever her set list is, whatever my thoughts are on the Super Bowl, boom, it's going to go on these 2 pages. And then we jump into my typical spread that I feel is working. So that is it. And then we come to the back of the planner where I have more stickers. Piper Paper Co. What else do we have here? Caress Press. I just pulled in some stickers that I thought would go good with the month. Oh, these are the ones that I wanted to pull out. We have not got any snow here in the tri-state, really. There's been snow, but not snow. We usually have had a blizzard of some sort. I'm not complaining, just saying. Haven't really had to break out any snow stickers. So I just keep stickers back here, and I'll be alternating and rotating these out as need be. But this cover is very, very convenient for that. I have not decorated the back cover. I'm gonna ride this until the wheels fall off. So this is how much I have left of the notebook. This thing is gonna be real chunky, which I like. I like having the bullet journal because I get a mix of planning and journaling in one location. I don't need to have multiple notebooks for that. So I think realistically I may be able to get to April. To get to April, maybe May, maybe even June, but for sure I'm gonna be able to get to April. But that is it for my A5 Stalogy flip. Again, if there's something that you want to see more in detail, be sure to check out those videos that I'll have linked in the description box, because I put planner spreads together, creating sections in a planner, how I keep up with all my stickers and everything. Those videos will be linked in the description box, and I hope that they'll help you set up a bullet journal of your own if you're interested in that kind of system. If you're trying to find out what kind of planner would be good for you, I will have my finding your planner style video in the description box as well, so be sure to check that out. Again, all the stickers and items that I feature throughout this video, those will be linked in the description box. And again, I would love to hear from you guys in the comments. Let me know what you're using this year. Are you still using the same planner from January? Did you start using your planner in 2022 and go over into 2023 like I did? Let's continue the conversation. If you're not subscribed to the channel, would love to have you stick around. Hit that like and subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be updated on all the videos that I have coming. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. I'll have some short videos coming that'll be a little bit quicker for you guys to see everything as well. So be on the lookout for those, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Love you. Stay safe. Bye, guys.